Hey there, wildlife lovers. Today we're diving into a fascinating yet concerning topic: the extraordinary world of fast animals and the threats they face. It's a bit of a paradox, isn't it? The fastest creatures on our planet, the ones that can sprint and soar with incredible agility, are often the most vulnerable to extinction. So, why is that? Let's explore this together. Fast animals, like cheetahs, pronghorns, and peregrine falcons, have unique needs that make them particularly susceptible to environmental changes. For starters, these quick creatures require large territories to roam, hunt, and thrive. But as human populations expand, their habitats shrink. Imagine living in a space that keeps getting smaller while you have to run faster just to survive. That's the harsh reality for many of these speedsters. They also tend to have specialized diets, which means any disruption in their food sources can spell disaster. Let's take a closer look at our first speed champion, the cheetah. These magnificent big cats are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. You'd think that such incredible speed would keep them safe, but it hasn't. Cheetahs have lost an astonishing 91% of their historical range across Africa and Asia. They face conflicts with farmers who see them as threats to livestock, and with only about 7,100 cheetahs left in the wild, their future hangs in the balance. It's heartbreaking to think about how these majestic creatures are fighting for survival in a world that seems to be closing in on them. Next up is the pronghorn antelope, North America's fastest land animal. These graceful creatures can maintain speeds of 55 miles per hour for long distances, which is impressive. But they're facing their own challenges. As their habitats are fragmented and they compete for resources with farm animals, their numbers have dwindled. Climate change is also taking a toll, altering the grasslands they depend on for food and water. It's a tough life when you're built for speed but can't find enough to eat. And let's not forget about the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth. These incredible birds can dive at speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour. Yet, even they are not immune to threats. In the mid-1900s, pesticides like DDT nearly wiped them out. While they've made a remarkable comeback since then, they still face habitat loss and dangers from urban environments, where collisions with buildings can be fatal. So, what's being done to protect these amazing speedsters? For cheetahs, organizations like the Cheetah Conservation Fund are working tirelessly to reduce human-wildlife conflicts. They're teaching farmers how to protect their livestock without harming cheetahs, and they're actively restoring habitats. Zoos also play a crucial role by breeding cheetahs to ensure the health of their populations. For pronghorn antelopes, initiatives like the Path of the Pronghorn in Wyoming are paving the way, literally. This 170-mile protected route allows pronghorns to migrate safely between their seasonal homes, helping to secure their future. As for peregrine falcons, the ban on DDT and successful breeding programs have been game changers. Now, efforts are focused on creating safe nesting spots in urban areas and preventing collisions with buildings. But here's the big question: what can we do to help these fast animals? First, we can support conservation organizations through donations or volunteering. Every little bit counts. We can also make conscious choices in our daily lives, like buying meat from farms that practice sustainable methods. If you live in areas where peregrine falcons are present, advocate for bird-safe building designs. And don't underestimate the power of sharing knowledge. Talk about these incredible creatures with your friends and family. As we wrap up our journey into the world of fast but fragile animals, remember that speed alone isn't enough for survival. These remarkable beings need our help to navigate an ever-changing world. By protecting them, we're not just saving individual species. We're preserving the delicate balance of nature itself. If you found this exploration insightful, please like and share it with others who might want to learn more about these speedy wonders. And don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife protection content. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, every action we take matters in the race to save endangered species. See you next time.